Hey Spicer fans, this is Zack Heisey and welcome to the Dana Garage. Today, we're going to talk you through some of the new products that Dana has for Jeep's new Wrangler JL. Dana has several products on the market for the Jeep Wrangler JK, axles, drive shafts, replacement parts, gears. Now, we're going to have them for the Jeep Wrangler JL. So you've got your new Jeep JL. You're going to build it. You're going to put a lift on it. You're going to put big tires on it. You need to have expanded gear ratios for the axles so that you can get the engine back in the proper power band to restore the performance. Dana has you covered with genuine Spicer gear sets for the Dana 44 Advantech rear and the Dana 44 Advantech front for Rubicon vehicles. We also have expanded ratios for the Dana 35 Advantech rear and the Dana 30 front for non-Rubicon vehicles. For reference, this is a 488 pinion from a JK Rubicon Model 226 rear axle. You can see it compared to the new Dana 44 Advantech rear. The pinion is shorter and larger diameter with larger splines for increased stiffness and strength. And of course, when you change your gears, you're going to need an install kit with bearings and seals and collapsible spacer and pinion nut to do the job right. You can get those from your Spicer Parts retailer. Like we talked about with the ring and pinions, there are 4 different axles in Jeep's new Wrangler JL. The Dana 44 Advantech rear and the Dana 44 Advantech front, which have 220 and 210 millimeter ring gears respectively, and the Dana 30 and the Dana 35 Advantech rear axle, which has a 200 millimeter ring gear. All of Dana's heavy-duty cast iron diff covers come in your choice of gray or Dana blue. Dana also has you covered with heavy-duty drive shafts for your new JL. We have front and rear drive shafts for stock and aftermarket upgraded axles, and comes with a transfer case yoke to properly install. Dana has a complete selection of chromoly axle shaft assemblies that are ready to install. Dana also has chromoly front axle shafts for your JL that are upgraded with 1410 U-joints instead of stock 1350. They're also part of our front axle disconnect or FAD delete kit that come with a collar to remove the front axle disconnect. We've talked about lots of different upgrade parts for your stock JL axles. Dana also has our Ultimate Dana 60s ready to bolt in to your JL. We have our Ultimate Dana 60 front axle for the Jeep JL with all the brackets in place to bolt in to your JL. We also have our Ultimate Dana 60 rear axle for the JL. All the brackets are in place to bolt into your new Jeep, both of which come with your choice of ARB or Eaton electric lockers. Everyone here at Dana is really excited about all the products that we have for the new Jeep Wrangler JL. Make sure you go to spicerparts.com to check out all those parts and keep tuned to our Spicer Parts YouTube and Facebook channels.